Hey crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and we are doing number 184. And these were sent in by Trudy. So Trudy, thank you so much for sending yours in. I think this one has been a while in the making. And if you're new here, this is Quality Crafts 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece, which just means you send in some scraps. I set my timer. I guess I should do that. Set my timer for 10 minutes, and I have 10 minutes to create a card with whatever is in here. So let me go ahead and I'm going to set this for 10 minutes, but I'm also going to turn off the sounds and stuff, because otherwise things will ding and ring, and we don't want any of that. All right. And display activity. I normally have this all set. There are some videos where I'm putzing with this, but all right, so on here I've got this really cool timer, and I'm just going to set it for 10 minutes, and we're going to put it right over here. So let's just quick look and see. So she actually sent in a card. I'm going to set that to the side, and I'm going to grab one of my card bases. And let's see what we have here. So we've got some really cool, we've got bubble packaging. That's awesome. Some paper. Ooh, look at that one, sparkly. Cool. A card. How cool is that? A piece of ribbon and some little dots. You can see those. And thinking of you. This is so cool. All right, this is gonna be really fun. I have 10 minutes to create something with this. Now, this I think I could use as like a stamper, or to make some, like if I put ink on there, I think that would be really cool. Like maybe some black. Let's just try it. We can always just decide that that's not what we want later. But that'll cover pretty much the whole thing. Let's see what we get. Let's see what kind of print we get. I'm going to grab some black paint. Not paint. Some black ink. That stays on. That could be kind of messy. Here, let's try this one. This one is Pink Fresh Detail Black. I've really made a mess of this ink pad. We're going to get a grungy look, which I think is going to be totally cool. Trudy, is this what you thought I might do with this? I'm just curious. Ooh! How cool is that? Oh my gosh, I love all the little inconsistencies. It's wonderful. Okay, let's see if we can add something to that. I don't want to cover it all up, but I love this paper and the polka dots and stuff. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I don't want to cover that whole thing up. What if we did one that was like just coming from the bottom? That might be kind of cool. Let's do that. And then we can put a little bit of this on here. All right, I need my little trimmer. If some of you guys are like, hey, you've done all my stuff already and I haven't gotten a card, I have a stack of cards that needs to go out. I'm just horrible about it. I apologize. I do hope to get them out soon. And we have a sale coming up, so that's another issue. That is so cool. Okay, let's do that. I love this, that she sent the card. That's amazing. Let's see if this will go over this. Yes. So we could use that as like a little flag tag. I've got these dots, which I thought might be kind of cool to like put in the corners here. And then I've got the thinking of you, so that's gonna have to go somewhere too. Okay, let me see how we can We might just have to use the back side and get some more of that red in. And try not to get, because this would look really good on here. And then I want to get that card in. Oh, that's cool. That is so cool. I'm glad you sent the card. This is gonna look really neat. Okay, I have to figure out how to get that in here. I'm kind of stumped with this. Oh, I know. If we put this around the card, it'll have a little bit of more red and it'll stick out better. Let's do that. That'll work. And I need to do the corners. I need a corner chomper. I used to have one right here. Where'd it go? Let's see. Nope. I got my little corner chomper here, so I'm just gonna make a baby 1/4 inch baby curve. See that? It's not quite a big of a curve, but that's gonna work out just fine. Yes. Okay, let's move this up. I might actually use that again. Okay. Let's get our card on there. I was just looking to see if maybe I wanted to cut it and flip it and use the back. You know what I'm gonna do? I just thought of something. Okay. If only part of this is gonna show. No, nope, most of it's gonna show. I was gonna cut it in half and put some in the inside of the card. That would be really cool. But that's not gonna work. So now we have to figure out where we want this. Ooh, that got quite a bit bigger with that red, didn't it? I might have to cut some off the bottom. That's okay though, just this tiny little bit. Actually, that might be okay. That might be just fine because the envelopes are always just a little bit bigger. Okay. I scooted this over a little bit because I really want more of that background to show. It's pretty awesome. But this is going to get cut down. Ooh, I finally found my pink-handled scissors. Oh, you know what? Since I'm going this way, it's going to get cut off. That's all right. Because I need to cut off that black. Okay. Ooh, 3 minutes. Now, I'm saving the black and the red here for the inside piece. And I think that's where I'm going to put those little black dudes. So I think what I'll do is I'll just do this and cut this down. So I'm running out of time. Okay. Oh, I was going to put that ribbon around there. Bring that up a little bit. I'm going to be hard pressed to get that thinking of you on here because I moved it down, I think, too far. But for this, I'm going to use my tiny attacher, Tim Holtz tiny attacher here, and try to just get in here. Oh, cool. Let's do one on the other side so it looks even. That works. Okay. I'm going to have to put a little bit extra tape on here to get that all to stay down. Oh, cool. 2 minutes to finish up. Okay, do I want to put the thinking of you on the outside? Oh, see, look at that. Look at that. Okay, no, that's perfect. I'm going to put it right there. I need my stickies. Oh, darn, I forgot what these are called. sticky sheets. Anyway, this stuff is so cool. You just put it in there, and you can reuse it over and over. There's little micro dots of sticky stuff on there. This one's brand new, so it's super sticky, so I tried not to push too hard, but just be careful when you're removing this stuff. A lot of times when people do pre-recorded videos, they skip that part because it looks harder. But don't be dissuaded, because this stuff is awesome. Thinking of you. How did I get sticky over here now? Probably from my hand. Okay. Sweet. There's a little bit of tape coming through, so I'm just going to rub those off with my finger and remove them. That's all you got to do. Just go over it with your finger. Cool. That's so cool. I love the stuff that you sent. Alright, let's just put this little doodad. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? I'm out of time. Oh, and I didn't do the shiny side up. Ugh, okay, well, we're just going to put this in here because we're out of time, so. My computer is like, you need to restart. I'm having an issue with that. It wants to restart every single day, every morning. As soon as I turn the computer on, it's so frustrating. Ta-da! I think I used everything. I just have a couple little pieces left. There's our timer. I needed almost the whole 10 minutes for this. But look how neat of a card. I don't know why there's a little white thing there. Oh, there we go. I got it off of there. Thinking of you. I'd be like tempted to put in here, you're the king, or whatever. Anyhow, there's a little extra little doodad in here to bring that color over. I just think that's so sweet. Thank you so much, Trudy, for sending this in. So if you're new, this series is going to be ending because we're on number 184. Pardon me. And we're going to go till 200, and then this is going to end, and then we're going to roll this into a mixed media series. So it'll be, I think, like mixed media projects, either one project for one sitting or a project that lasts for several weeks. So I'm hoping that that's something that you'll be into a lot. I got a lot of really great feedback on that, saying, yes, yes, do it. So this is going to get sent to Trudy. I'll put my information on the back and send it to her. And then if you guys want to send them in, you're fine. But hold on a second. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have at least 8 more to go through, which means 84, 5, 8, 60, 70, 89, 90, 91, 2. Oh, I only have like 8 more slots. So 8 more people can send in. Excuse me, be wary of the date below this video so you know when it was put out. So you're not sending stuff in. You know, if I get stragglers, I might just do some upload some videos of that anyway because I enjoy this so much. But we'll see what happens. I hope that you guys will come back and check out also the new stuff and the old stuff. We will be also bringing in a way for you guys to sign up eventually, to sign up for the videos here, because sometimes the notifications from YouTube don't always notify you, is what I've been told. So have a great rest of your week, and I can't wait to see you next time. What else did I want to mention? I already did tell you that we're going to end this at 200. If I have stragglers, I will still put the video out. That's it. If you have any questions, you can catch me on Facebook. You'll get the quickest answer there. Otherwise, qualitycrafts@gmail.com or qualitycrafts.com. All right, so the easiest way is Facebook, and then Facebook Instant Message, or qualitycrafts@gmail.com will be the quickest ways for me to get back to you, and I cannot wait to see you guys next video.